Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and today I am cooking corned beef with potatoes, actually french fries, and I'm going to mix the french fries in with the corned beef. I still have to make the rice. So right now my hubby went out, and I ended up staying because I wanted there to be dinner when he came back from the stores. I already did my shopping, so he went out. And I'm about to make the rice now. It's a quiet Sunday and it looks beautiful outside after all that snow and rain that we had last week. There's still a little bit on the ground, as you can see, some of the snow. But I'm working on the Santa duplex and still decorating, so stay tuned for the reveal. Okay, this is the kitchen window here. You might have seen it in one of my videos. This is the ledge of the window right here. But the final review is going to include the entire first floor of my house, decorated for Christmas. So right now, let me get back to this. The french fries still have a way to go. Now this corned beef, it has olives, garlic, onions, some sofrito, sazon. Those are other seasonings that I use. And I'm going to be mixing in the french fries with these. So I'm going to make the rice now, and probably some sweet plantains later to mix with all that for dinner. Alrighty, well, I thank you for watching and have a blessed day.